Look, more American shit here in the jungle. We are at the Gucci tunnels. That's an M48. Was. I have to say, the one who put it here by air did a pretty good job in between the trees.
Perfect parking.
Perfect parking, you know. Yeah, someone managed to put this plane here in between the trees. Perfectly parked. And yes, that's a joke. But it didn't come from too far because we are at or near a American base as well as the Gucci tunnels. I don't think this one will ever fly again though. This one looks like it exploded. It was hit more than one time. Amazingly, this didn't penetrate. This one didn't penetrate. This one did. Then it probably got hit from above though. This one still looks new, but probably isn't. Yeah, these are in pretty decent shape for a museum. Here we have one more helicopter that didn't survive. The fact that after 50 years you can still read the stickers, it's pretty amazing.
Le rotor, il est là-dedans. Il est au milieu. Celui-là, il se bloque, open.
I think it's about time to head on to the tunnels.